Trnona, why Hishmahori agus Fashti, Timajik Fekins and Shakton Shaw cabbage le cahar, egg Súgrú agus egg bunch lishan chema chaihu amshira. So we're looking at the chapter this week, plain, egg Súgrú, plain, and it's associated with the theme of pastimes. Agus Shaw ar Vokla Nua, ar Changa Ovel, Don Shakton Shaw. This is our oral language development for this week. And our key phrase for this week, boys and girls, is Kadata ex ig janu. What, for example, Kadata mami ig janu, what's mami doing? Kadata daji agus Sean ig janu, what's Sean and daddy doing? Kadata oshin ig janu, Kadata taffy ig janu, agus Kadata shifra ig janu. And we'll be answering it back by saying, Ta mami ig eishtach le ceol, agus ig dausa. Mammy's listening to music and dancing. Ta Sean agus Dadji ag imirch pella. Sean and Daddy are playing football. Ta Oshin ag Súgrú lena hedgy. Oshin is playing with his teddy. Ta Taffy ag Súgrú lesha bona, no lesha canav. 2 words for bone. Bona, B-O fada N-A, or canav, C-N-A fada M-H. So Taffy is playing with his bone. Agus ta Shifra ag liom an trampoline. Shifra is jumping on the trampoline. Agus Archimid Chimpelanish ar Vokla Nua. We'll look around at our new words. Garum, boy. Lichroich, ball. Tedgy, teddy. Lania, shirt. And it's a lania garum, linking it to our colour, blue shirt. Egg liom, jumping. Egg rich, running. Egg imirch pella, playing football. Egg Súgrú, playing. Agus egg dausa, dancing. Or egg eishteach le ceol, listening to music. Agus ta an clan go léir sa gargin ach a bhain mammy, ta mammy sa christin. All the family are in the garden except mammy's in the kitchen there, or ta mammy sa cha, mammy's in the house. Agus ta siad a muoi san air fallen. They're out in the fresh air, ag bunch salt as an lajas, enjoying the nice day. Agus ta Taffy ag rith chimpel and gargin, ta Oshin ag Súgrú, ta na lads ag imirch pella, ta Shifra ag liom, agus ta mami ag eishteach le ceol, agus ag dausa. So Shaw our poster, agus and our Changa Ovel, that's our poster, and our language development. We will be singing the lovely little song Hey Ho Miagio this week, and listening now to the song, boys and girls, and we'll be practicing the key phrase Ta Me Egg I Am.
Hey Ho Miagio.
So shot too, Hey Ho Miagio, agus bunch of leis an poster cumai, be ma jigéisteach leis ar Dan and Shakton Shaw, Sheen do lava hard the chean.
Sheen the lava, suas hard the chean. Sheen the lava, suas hard the chean. Cos her chimple or a van. Jane loose ga biog, and none is a now. Is she is le the lava she's gama.
Sheen Jalava Suez Harda Hyun. Stretch your hands up above your head. Turn around once. Stretch your hands above your head. And Lusku Eid and Nunasanal. Sway them over and back. And then Sheen Jalava. Stretch your hands down. And Aka Le Do. Or the Heave. Or Shees Golak. Down gently down by your side. So a simple little poem this week, boys and girls, as well, just to match up with all the other actions and activities that are going on our digital poster Lishan Clan and we ag Súgradh Abair. I forgot to mention a few other words in the Gargin, like cran that we've already learnt, tree, blahana, flowers, felacan for butterfly, agus feckin broga shifra erantalu. I see her butashi or broga, her shoes on the ground as well. Agus tamata erantalu. There's a little blankage erantalu the Oshin and Bobby. There's a blanket on the ground for Oshin the baby. Agus planta, plants ag fas safota growing in the pots. So agus is labra e marta and spare gorum agus fecum scammels a spare. It's a lovely day because the sky is blue and I see clouds in the sky. So shot aid on shot and shot a fash you got a meal of maigov.